video games. Hang on, I didn't bring up Godot. I'm gonna. All right. Also, my music is now too quiet. I'll figure this out. Don't worry. All right. And today, we're working on a video game. It's called Jack 4. I got it from Neil Druckmann because I taught him the Wim Hof method, so that way he never gets cold. It's pretty incredible. But okay. So yesterday, I did some animation work on the new, on a fancy new hover scooter in the game. So let's see, I'll hide my little preview windows so that the frame rate isn't so bad. And then look at this. Incredible, high quality stuff. She leans when you turn, and she leans when you're up a slope or down a slope. Pretty cool. I also didn't pop out the chat. And I'm sure I need to do something else. But for now, it's just a little placeholder thing. You know, simple animation keyframes. So what do I need to do? Brainstorm the final gun. Alright. I'll do that. I might do, well, I'm probably going to do something else as well. Let's move while I think. I do like the idea of having a gun that slows down time, but I don't know if I like it enough to actually, like, make it. I guess it shouldn't be too hard. I'll just make it and see how I like it. I have done zero research in my free time to figure out if this is actually feasible. But oh well. Time gun. Cube mesh. Let's see, entities. No, player, weapons, time gun. And then I'll just do time gun load and so the time gun, I need all these, and I need the fire function, and I think that's all I need. So yeah, for now it will be absolutely nothing. How loud is this music on your end? Oh, it's pretty quiet. In fact, maybe even a little bit too quiet. But okay, let's see. I should be able to press... Oh wait, no. I don't have any buttons yet. Yep. Wait, what? My mouse is stuck. Help. Help me. Okay, there we go. I wish I could move... Oh, I can move them up. Nice. And joy button will be D-pad down. Also, this shouldn't be the physical button. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Enabled web. Looks like that's right. I'll double check. The autocorrect didn't help me. Let's see the number pad and working. Okay, so it's the... Oh, it's because I pressed the... Okay. Oh. Because that shouldn't be that. It should be, D-pad right. Right. Alright, so that's my epic thing. Now I need to figure out how to actually set the timescale. So let's do... Any way to manipulate timescale. Engine.timescale equals 2. Okay. For now, I'm gonna do, let's just toggle it for now. Var. The big problem with this is that now it's going to be clunky to try and figure out how to increase the timescale. Oh. But this does do most of what I want. Ooh. I forgot that I've completely, like... Or it messes up my muscle memory. Also, this is probably one where I should be able to fire from anywhere. So, as with all the guns so far, I have to have some completely bespoke system. Oh, excuse me. So I need everything under the player to have a custom time scale, or to... Basically anything that's not cosmetic. Well, what exactly do I mean? Particle effects should be... Alright, let's just do... Let's see how that works. So that'll make it so that... Oh. Well, if I'm not using the delta, I don't care. And this should make it so that the player moves at the same speed always. It doesn't. Oh. I know what it is. Because I'm using move and slide everywhere, and that already takes into account the delta. So I need to untake it into account. Or at least do like, and slide. Oh, and that's gonna mess up the velocity though. Oh, this is bad. I think what I have to do, okay, so let's do, I need to figure out how the delta is propagated and then figure out if I can make it like different for each object. Excuse me. Okay. Let's break out the engine again. File, open folder. Because basically, it seems like I want everything, including like animations and particles, to be affected by the time scale, except for the ones that are like... oh, excuse me. Except for things that are propagated to the player. So I'm going to try to make it so that I can like propagate a time scale to nodes. Maybe like pause mode. I bet I could do it with pause mode. Then again, I don't even know if I want to keep this weapon. I guess I will. Well, probably if I'm gonna put in some work. Who keeps texting me? Alright, I need to figure out how the main function works. Or like engine.timescale or something. Alright. So, where is the engine? All right, core bind. Okay, that was a pretty good text. Alright, so where is this timescale used? Because it's... Okay, we have it here. Maybe... Get timescale? Main. Okay. Advance frame slice. So what is timescale used for? Scaled step. Frame step equals step. Oh, obviously, okay. So scaled step is here. Where is scaled step used? Because what I'm going to do is, for scene... I need node. So yeah, what it's gonna be is there's also gonna be wait, should it be here? No, that shouldn't be there. Maybe time scaling. Or like so there's struct data, struct group data. Alright, well I'll just put bool time scaled. So that'll be my custom little variable that says whether it responds to the timescale, I guess. And I guess that would be... That'll be a mess. This will be a terrible mess. Oh well. Then I need main node.c++. Let's just put it after these. Q delete set tree. Make binds. I want it to be somewhere that's like reasonable. I think I put it right here. And by default, this should be true. So let's figure out where that constructor is. And then I can bind the property wherever all this stuff is. Bind methods. Do I have to bind the individual method as well? I hope I don't. I'm almost certain I do, though. Okay. I probably should have figured out what I'm going to do with the notifications first. Variant time equals get process delta time. That seems like a good place. Oh. Where am I now? Let's do... Nope. Where is scene tree? Huh? Oh, it's an inline. Okay. So wait, when is this set? This physics process time? Okay, so I think something that this is gonna do... Alright, whatever. Let's do, float q equals if not time scale response. This should be like t. Divided b equals engine dot instance dot let's see if that works. Oop. I need 2 of these. So first thing I need to do is save my current work with that. MTC tools Godot. And this should murder my frame rate, and especially since I'm doing some like main loop stuff, I think. Or at least I'm doing like node stuff. Oh my god, actually this is gonna be terrible. Because everything's gonna have to change, I think, because it inherits from the node. I'm gonna... Wait, no, I can't even check Twitter. Wait, I can check it on my phone. I don't have Twitter on my phone. I only have Tumblr. Alright, I'll check Tumblr and report back to you guys as this compiles. I'll make it nice and big for you. Oh, it's the chocolate guy. There's a guy who makes really elaborate chocolate sculptures on Tumblr. What's he making? He's making a pan. He's making a pan out of chocolate. What is this? Bananas? Caramelized bananas with scotch. Some kind of bubble. Oh, a lid. He made a lid, like a glass lid, out of wow, that's a delicious looking cake, actually. Yep, too bad you can't see this. Oh wait, now it's playing music. Yep, tragic. You didn't see that. Let's see, what is this? Link warnings? Any compilation errors? I can't tell. I don't care. And what's this one? I've seen this one before. It's a little wiener dog that gets a coat so it can go outside because it's snowing outside. And then it runs around all excited. A cat that's holding its own tail in its mouth as it runs around. Let's see. A fight scene from a movie I've never seen. This is exhilarating. Okay. That was where I suspected something would happen. Can I get time? Let's see. Engine dot instance. Okay, so that's the only place where that's found. Where is the singleton for the engine? Because it's in core bind, so obviously, like, is it underscore engine that I have to use? I mean, that would make sense. I'll try underscore engine and just see if that works. Okay, I have to use get singleton as well, not instance. Let's see if this works. It does not. Alright, so what is core/bind? Why is it in core/bind? What is in... Let's see. I mean, do I have to import core/bind? Because this is where scaled step is done. And then we have, okay, so this doesn't load core/bind. What am I missing then? Oh, well, one, I have to use the double colons. I keep forgetting the rules of C++. So it's that. But that's not going to solve that bug. Maybe I do just have to import this? I'll just try it. What's the worst that could happen? Alright, let's go back to Tumblr. I think there's a lot of interesting content there, and I think it's really fun to just tell you. Let's see, the Owl House fan art. I saw the first, 10 episodes of that show. I didn't keep watching. Pictures of various soups. What did I do? Oh. God Christ. I'm such an idiot. No, I shouldn't blame myself. I'm used to using the D programming language, and because there's literally no reason to use the arrow operator, it just doesn't have it. You just use dot for both structs and pointers. There's lots of things that are just kind of dumb about C. Wait, hang on. What happened to Costco's stock? I think I might have seen a fake... Oh my god. Not a member of Engine. Okay. Eventually I gotta get this, right? Get time scale. Actually, I wonder if there is a reason to ever use the dot operator on a pointer. Like if there's some sort of like pointer struct. I mean, I guess you could do a struct that has an operator arrow. Or the arrow operator. Can you do that, actually? I don't know if that's even something that you're allowed to do. Alright, but whatever. Core bind. Yeah, okay. So eventually I'll get this. Hang on, I need to see Costco's stock price. Okay, it was just a fake tweet. It said that it had cost Costco 60 billion, or that they lost $60 billion in stock, and joked that it was because of a particular tweet, but both of them were fake, I guess. Oh, okay. I saw the wrong thing. Yeah, they were making a joke that Costco is raising their hot dog prices by $1, and that their stock plummeted by $60 billion because of it. I think this is excellent content. I've been at this for like an hour now. Reading Tumblr on my phone and telling you what happens. Let's see, 2 guys seductively riding a mechanical bull. A bunch of chimera cats. Oh, mutant cats. Okay. And they're like minor mutations, like weird colorations and stuff, rather than like serious things. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and berries, we might have just gotten the feature that I wanted. Let's see. So player. In Node, there should be a pause function. There isn't. Did I do this right? Godot, Windows Opt Tool 64. Godot, Windows Opt Tool 64. What did I do wrong? Did I need to do the bind v method? What is this? No. Oh, no. Okay, because that's a virtual method. What does 0 mean here? Huh. Property info. What? Did I, huh? Okay. Property usage default. Okay, so I think I just did it wrong. I need to set I think I don't need any of these. Or maybe like that? Because I have the type. I have the name. Okay, and then I don't need the property hint. Yeah, because this stuff... See, property usage, storage, property user, usage editor, usage network. Okay. I think that's what I needed. I think by default they were like private or something. Okay. Back to Tumblr as soon as I figure out where my stuff is gone. Though, I mean, Duolingo has... someone on Duolingo followed me. That's weird. I also haven't done Duolingo in like a month. Probably more than that, since like February. No, wait, no. When did Ukraine go to war with... When did Russia invade Ukraine? Because that was when I started my Russian again, just in case I got like drafted. And then I did that for like 3 days, and then I went back to normal. Alright. Let's see how many of these I need to do. I'm gonna do multi-node edit. Yeah. None of them have any timescale response. Let's see if this works. This will be interesting. It might crash the game because I'm doing division and there might be like a divide by 0. Nope, okay. So I'm doing that, and then what I need is also go in here, do the exact same thing with all of these. No timescale response. This does mean there's an if statement for every... I've added 2 if statements every frame for every node. I should also maybe make it so that the gravity is based on... Ooh, that'd be cool. Like, the player's still has the same jump and everything, but they have less gravity. I wonder what that would be like. Let's do, gravity. Times hover extra gravity. So I need to go through each of these acceleration functions. Gravity times engine dot time scale. So yeah, you fall less. Gravity. Sell air. The dumbest thing I've ever done. But it works. So let's see what this looks like. It should give a significant boost to the player's jump height. Like it'll actually like double their jump actually. So this could be a bit too powerful. I also need to make it so that sound effects are controlled by the time scale as well. This is so cool. Okay. I think I'm keeping this because this is like really awesome. And I've already done the engine work to make it happen. Though, let's see. So I'm gonna make it so that all right. Let's commit both of these. This will be because now the next thing is to make it so that sounds do respond to it. And to make sure that that doesn't mess up the music, well, no, I think it should mess up the music actually. Let's see if there's already a built-in way, because I think all the sound effects can do the timescale stuff. Godot, timescale sounds. Maybe audio streams? No, this is just the audio stream players. I wonder if there's a speed filter. I don't think so. I wonder if maybe I can just set the audio server time scale. Okay. And it's flipped from the time scale of the engine. Alright. I need to lower the volume of the music down. And also I should probably make it so the time or the music doesn't scale down. That'll be an issue. Hang on. Pause the music entirely. Because let's hear what this sounds like. Oh, I also need a method of going back from the options menu with the mouse and keyboard. I don't have that currently. Well, I think it's pretty good, actually. And I'll make it so that there's like little particles when the player steps anywhere that like get kicked up. But okay, that's pretty cool. I'm also gonna have a filter over the screen. Let's put the music back on. And I'm not gonna do any fancy mesh stuff with it. I might actually quit early, but let's see. Post. Maybe a color rect? I don't know how I'm actually gonna do this. How does Godot want me to do filters? I want custom stuff. Let's just do a multiply filter. Brilliant stuff, I know, but I don't want to put the whole world in a viewport and like do all that stuff. Like that's good enough. That's what I'll do. And it'll have a animation. To the where's visibility? Modulate. Maybe what I need is instead of this, just to do this color. So it'll be like, goes to white, then it goes to that blue, and then this isn't anything. And I wanted to do something fun, like maybe it goes to like a bright yellow first. Like that. Then resume. And no visibility. Oh wait. But yeah, I think this might be, I mean, this will be really powerful. Ooh. Oh, cool. And the guns, so the guns fire at half the rate of fire. I think that's actually cool. I'm going to keep that, honestly. Oh. Oh, wait, hang on. Okay, the platforms are going to be an interesting challenge because they have, because they move at a different rate. Or, actually, I guess it won't be, well, no, it could be a challenge because then I have to interface with the velocity of things based on their platform or whatever. Because like The player thinks that everything is moving at the same speed as it, but the platforms are moving at half speed, and the player will move twice as much. Oh wait, that was the wrong thing. Okay, this isn't working. What is this? Resource not found. Okay, that's fine. That's not fine. Why is this? Did I set this wrong? Slow. This isn't, oh, wait. Why did the modulate? Oh, right, because the reset has the modulate. I'll make it way faster than that. I'll make both of these faster. Oh wait, also because this needs to not have the timescale response. That's interesting. I also kind of like the multiply. This is awesome. This is really good. And like even things like gravity are affected by it. Or like the jet board, or yeah. You know what I mean. It's cool. I made a cool gun, actually. Oh wait, I have to make it so that the filter is still applied even when you're not in the time travel mode. That wasn't what I meant to do. What I meant to do was that. Let's see, how do I want to do that with the filter? I could maybe just have it applied to the holder? Or I could have some sort of global filter, maybe? I wonder what happens if I slow down time and then talk to someone. Nothing. This is the nice part about editing the engine myself, is that I don't need to make it so that this feature is like good for other people. Because like, I don't think most other people actually want, you know, a node, you know, every single node to decide whether or not it's going to respond to the timescale feature. And to do that division, because then it, well, what if the engine timescale is 0? Well, what then? Well, I don't care, because I'm not setting it to 0. And I'm not designing it for other people to be like a good feature. I'm gonna make it so that there's Let's see. Let's change this to just a node. And so this is going to be weird. Function, no, var color set get set color. And so management, new scene, filter, user interface, color, rect, layout, full rect. Unshaded. And it doesn't need visible. Because all it's doing is now, it's doing this filter. Oh wait, did I put it into auto load? Yeah, I didn't. Management, filter, filter, add. And then this way I can even play with like global filters or like something like that. Let's see. And yeah, look at that. And then if I switch weapons, now the main problem is when you switch weapons, it's not going to change back to the... I may have to just make it a time manager. I could do that. Alright, let's do that. So this whole thing is not going to be here anymore. This whole thing is not going to be here. It'll be if let's do like 6 seconds or something. No. Const time slowed. That'll be 6 seconds. And it'll be a minimum of like 3 seconds. And this will inexplicably still be a color rectangle because I don't care that much. But for our time stop, for This will be what, 6, and it will not be time scale response. Timer timeout. One shot. All right, man, I'm just going like really eclectic right now. Time management. If time slowed, and I need to get this filter control. Okay. And this way I can control the time rate, and I can do resume. And so basically right now, it's still a toggle. Well, no, actually, now when you press it, it should slow down time for 6 real seconds. Let's see how this works. I don't have the filter yet, but 3, 2, 1. And I should also be able to press the button. Oh wait, it still doesn't. It doesn't do Okay. Okay, so I can switch between them. And the time is never stopped for more than 6 seconds. And there's 3 seconds of gap. So you can have like 3 seconds on, 3 seconds off. Or you can have 6 seconds at a time. That's okay. And then I'll have limited ammo on this eventually. And I also need a filter. I'm also going to play around with some filters. Just a little bit. Like, what does this look like? I mean, I kind of like... Oop. I'm not going to keep a filter, I don't think. If I want to do something, I'll play with the lighting. The filter's just going to be for the effect that I need. New, slow. This will be... Let's do like a deep purple. And then it goes down to a smooth, pleasant, like, blue. And then let's make it like that. And also and the reset. Okay, invisible and white. And I forgot to put it here. Needs to be more blue. I need, oh wait, okay. Because this needs to be this. Okay, now I have basically all the like coolest stuff from Jack 3. I have a time stop, I have the anti-gravity, I have the ring shot, and I have just a good old-fashioned gun. Now I'll have to figure out where all this stuff is actually going to be used. I think, well no, I think this pistol is going to be really cool. Like, and I'm gonna... I guess I'll go for another leisurely ride while I think about what else I'm gonna do. But yeah, I'm glad this actually... I'm proud of myself. This turned out, like, this went a lot quicker than I was fearing it would. I might make it like... I'm gonna make it like 12 seconds. And let's do like var time. Actually, maybe it'll be 6 seconds, but then there's like this time amount. Alright. Let's just ignore that then. Alright, I have a pretty formidable arsenal, honestly. Wow, picking up those things really kills the frame rate. What is that? Okay, so there are errors. No, those are just from switching to the gun without a prompt for it. Alright, now I need to figure out what exactly I want for this gun. So I think it doesn't need to look like a gun at all. Also, I think it's kind of cool to have just like there's only one actual like conventional weapon, and then this one's kind of conventional because it's just an AoE. But then like these two are just like weird. Well, I guess this one is still just a pretty effective explosive. Like it does twice as much damage as the other guns. Maybe I should make it do 0. I should probably make it do 0. Or like maybe just 5. Like it'll just do the same amount of damage as everything else. I love this hover scooter. This is... I love being able to just take all the cool parts from a video game and not have to worry about like coming up with my own ideas. I should steal from more video games. I wonder what other video games have cool things. Like maybe Gears of War? I don't know, they just have the chainsaw gun. It's not quite as exciting. Because I could have a chainsaw. I could put a chainsaw on one of these things, probably. And I'll also want some cool like particles on the player when they're like accelerate or when they're in the time zone. Wonder if I can get up there, then I can do a really sick jump. I should make more terrain. Well, no, what I should do is I should finish the rest of the game, and then if I decide to do it, I'll like add more terrain off the border of the world and stuff, and like make it coherent. Because I think I'm gonna have like, I'll let the player go out basically significantly farther than the edge of the world. I'll just have nothing out there, and there'll be a little like UI widget that says there's nothing out here, turn back, and it'll point towards the world. Oh. I'll just ignore that. And yeah, I should eventually start adding the upgrades for the weapons, because I think, well, one, I want max ammo for them, because right now it's like I have 341 of these bombs, and that's way too many. It should be like 50 at most. And the pistol, I think it could be like 300 as its max capacity, and then, or maybe 100, and then you can expand it to like 300. And like maybe this only has like 30, and then you can expand it up to like 150 or something. That would give plenty of stuff to do. I should also have like multiple types of collectibles, maybe. Maybe the player can eventually unlock a different shape of coat. Also, what exactly is wrong with the character? Like, I can see her sometimes, like, shifting, like, by, like, a centimeter. Also, I have an awesome idea for the particles when Jackie is at like time distortion. So what I'm gonna do is eventually bone attach. I think there must be some sort of like n squared thing that's happening, because when you click the skeleton, it takes a good minute to generate, and I think it's because of these. Like, it just takes a long time to, like, generate this UI, I think. Like, with the bone attachment, it's the same thing, because it has to add all of these things to something. But okay, let's make this the upper back. Particle. Emitting new particles material, new sphere mesh, drawing, let's see, can I make it not smooth? That could be interesting. But okay, I need the material. So let's open this, let's save this Jesus Christ. Okay, make unique. Save. Okay, because what I want to do with this is refract multiply. And then process material. Wasn't there something janky I had to do? No, I guess that's fine. Okay, and then gravity. So basically, around the player is going to be this weird sphere of, like, refraction. Actually, let's see what happens if I flip this around. Not quite what I'm looking for. So this is a chest. Oh, I already have the chest. Whoops. Time. Okay, and here it's gonna be okay, let's see what this looks like. I think I'm not going to keep it like this. I'm going to have some like random little mesh that can deform better. Yeah, it's going to be like... No. What do I need? Assets. Let's do like effects. Time refract. And then let's export this. GLB effects, timer fact. I want the mesh in a separate file. Good enough. Oh. I'm also going to make it so that it's a solid mesh. See, so we need scale. So just a little bit of refraction. And also some scale random. And also I'm going to scale it up and then down. Radial acceleration. I don't know if I want that. I do want the angle to be random. I don't know if that changed anything. How do I make the... How do I make the rotation of this thing random? Like, is this not it? This looks pretty cool at least. But seriously, what is this? Like... Godot? Let's see if there's an explanation for angle. Only applied when flag disable Z or flag rotate Y are true. What are these? Where is that? What is that in? Particles material? Alright, so the process material. Flags. Rotate Y? Disable Z? I don't want that. Align Y? I don't have the faintest idea what I'm doing. Alright, maybe that helps though. Alright, so let's see. Okay. Random. Let's see what this looks like in game. Because this could be pretty cool. Though I think it won't look as nice as I want it to, because it's not. It's just like... Yeah, because they're too slow. They're too slow. Maybe it's because... No, I have the particle. Let's do like... 1. I think it needs more refraction. Let's do like... Hell, let's do 1. I think it's a bit too, what if I did a radial acceleration towards where we were? Maybe just -1. And I think I should lower the refraction, because now it's like incomprehensible. I want it to be like closer behind the player so that it's... Actually, do I even want it to be like global? It might be better like that. Why isn't the refraction working? Yeah, it's not working at all, actually. Well, it's 7:30, so I guess I'm done for today. I mean, I guess the refraction kind of works. Disappointing, though. I think I can make it cooler. Because I'm kind of thinking of... I guess I'm thinking of, what is it, Quantum Break? That game had really cool effects. I heard it wasn't all that special, though. Nah, I shouldn't dismiss it. I haven't played it. It looked cool. The gameplay did seem kind of like standard action stuff. Maybe I should figure out what they did and like do something like that. Though that'd be really difficult. But yeah, I don't think... What I have isn't quite what I want. I want it to be like a trail. And I don't know how... I don't know what Godot would do for like nice, like refracting trails like that. Probably just some kind of dynamic mesh. Yeah, I think now what I need to do, I think this is going to be, well, this is going to be the 4 weapons. This is going to be your vehicle. Now I just need to figure out if I want to add any more content. Because I think I want at least 2 other enemies. I want one that shoots the pistol, and then the other that shoots something like this, or has some sort of gravity explosion. But I don't know what else I want. Because I may also do a more graceful inventory system so that there's not just a hard-coded button for planting flags. And I also need to integrate those better. But most of the stuff that's left to do is actual just level design and writing. And I think with the extra time, it's feasible to populate this area with at least some stuff. Like, I can get everything to have a little bit. Though I also need to get better. What I need to do is start really investing time in, like, designing interesting scenarios that I can feasibly do, like, that are just expressed in writing, because I don't have any ideas, really. Like, because my whole big thing was I wanted it to feel like a world where there's a bunch of interconnected, or a bunch of superficially unrelated stories that all build to a thematic whole, and that's not really what's in here. Like, what's in here is right now, like, completely isolated, like, gameplay chunks that don't really have any sort of story to them. And other things I need to do are bug fix some of the glitches with the movement still, because there's things like that. Like, I'm letting go of the analog stick and then the character like slides up or down. I'm gonna get so much air off of this. Just you wait. And I also kind of want to do more like just to have more layered collectibles, like things like, you know, because right now there's literally 3 different items you can collect. Well, 4. Because you get the coats, you get your capacitors, bugs, and gems. And 2 of those are just currencies. One has no gameplay functionality, though I think it is pretty fun. And then the capacitors currently have very little gameplay. Like, they're pretty much only for like very specific progression. But now I also have plenty of time to make things like racing. Or at least time trials. Time trials will be easy. Let's see. With time trials, I may want to actually implement a mechanism for like resetting if you fail a mission, because right now, I don't have anything for that. It just ends if you fail. Because like if the player's going like downhill from here to here and they have some time limit, it'd be really, really irritating if they got like here and then failed and then had to walk all the way back up the mountain or something. It'd be way more fun if they could be teleported back up. I'm just like going around in circles now. Oh well. Yeah, I don't think anyone's noticed yet, but I'm having fun with this scooter. I should also add, I think, IK constraints for keeping our hands on the thing. Yeah, I think players will probably enjoy the jet board. So I should add enemies that are like fast moving and can keep up with it. Yeah, so I think there's probably, well, 2 new enemies that I want. One that shoots a gun and it bounces up and down. And the other that can follow the player when they're on this thing and at least pose some mild threat. And then potentially one that has the gravity cannon. And then variants of these guys that have special constraints. And then other things that I would want are enemies that challenge the player to move in particular ways, like they have like maybe strong spots on the top or on the bottom, so that the player has to get under or over them. See, does this make me move faster? I think it would like reduce the effects of... Okay, it reduces the effects of slopes at least. So I can go up this faster. Take a pot shot at him. Well, let's see. I've been riding around for 15 minutes, just kind of rambling. Yeah, I should... That's fun. I think players are gonna like that, because I like it, and that's all that matters. Oh wait, no, that should be visible, but it should just not be emitting. Okay. So tomorrow, yep, all of this. I'll do all 100 of those tasks. No, what I need is I'll just do something. And then yeah, Thursday time stop level. Let's get our GitHub. So my fork of the... Huh? Oh. Right, I have my branch. So yeah, github.com/needleful. You can get my branch of the Godot engine with my changes, and also... you can get the whole game. And all the source code, and you can see how I did everything in a completely inscrutable way, and you don't get any of the assets even though they're not that good, because I don't know, it's easy to share code, it's hard to share art assets without deprecating the value of what you've created, but whatever. I will see you guys tomorrow when I do some more stuff, probably not what's on the list because that sounds kind of boring. See ya.